I've been getting asked a lot of questions about cryptocurrency. I make these videos so that I can give you detailed answers to your questions and not just a half-assed 1 or 2 sentence message when you send me DMs. So if you're watching this right now, go check out my other crypto videos because I give a lot of detailed information in all of these videos. So do yourself a favor, go get the free knowledge. So let's see. The first question we have is from Jonathan Lehman. Sup, Jesus? Shout out to you. How do you feel about Tron? Oh, God. Sad? I invested in Tron many years ago. Not too happy about how the project turned out. Could there be some benefits? I don't know. We'll see. But, I mean, let me look at the Tron price right now. It's like, it's a joke, guys. Like, yeah, maybe under a cent or something. Let's just see right now. It's a cent. Yeah, so 1 cent. Tron is TRX. Tron did a really good job of hyping their shit up really hard. But when it came down to it, it was a hype coin. And that's one of the things that I've coined recently is a hype coin. People call them shit coins, but let's call it a hype coin because they only got big because of hype. Now, there are some other hype coins right now that are growing in hype, but not growing in work, not growing in their technology. Like I was so happy until I started talking about Tron. So if you haven't done so yet, check out speckercbd.com or specker.store. They're the sponsors of this video, and it just so happens to be my company, so I sponsor my own videos. So you can use discount code Amir. Please support small business. Help us grow to the top. Help Specker moon as well as your cryptocurrency. It'd be nice if they just, mooned at the same time. That's the plan, speckercbd.com, specker.store. Go get yourself some good products. Got sleep problems, aches and pains, anxiety, depression. Well, CBD might help you out. Anyway, I got a few other questions here. If you have a question, please ask it in the comments. All right, so is XRP a pump and dump? Actually, I would say that XRP is like one of the least pump and dumps there are that are major cryptocurrencies because it has had a stable price for so long, it doesn't pump and dump at all. Like it was just chilling around like 18, 19, 20 cents for months. Like you'll have a tiny pump and dump, but it's just pennies essentially still. Let's look at the XRP price right now because XRP is actually going up. XRP is at 29 cents right now. So that's nice. It's made some gains, made some really nice gains. If you have like a big investment in it, then you're going to be making a lot of money. But what I'm doing with my XRP right now, I'm holding, it's up 12.9% in the last 24 hours. The 1 week, it's up 43%. 1 month, 67%. I mean, all-time high of XRP is $3.84, so it's still really cheap right now. So no, XRP is not a pump and dump. Even if they try to make it a pump and dump, it's clearly not working. So the next thing is I got a question about Chainlink as a Russian pump and dump. I discussed that in detail in one of my last videos, and I mean, it could be. I don't really have any reason to believe other than that report, that hit piece, that it is. It's been pretty stable. It's done a very good job of just jumping up in price. We could look at the prices on that right now and see that, wow, just hit 835 today. Wow, the crypto market is pumping today. So, I mean, just in the last month, Chainlink has gone plus 77%. So think about that. I mean, Is it a pump and dump? I don't know. I mean, people call Bitcoin and Ethereum pump and dump, so it doesn't really mean too much. Like, is it a pump and dump? I don't know. We can't really tell until the end. But what you can do is you can go reach out to all the employees one by one on LinkedIn and talk to them and see if you believe that it's a Russian pump and dump. You know, like, you can easily do that. You can go on LinkedIn. You can go email the people. These are companies. They're businesses. So they have employees. So you can go hit up Chainlink employees and go learn about it yourself. Go to the source. So next question we got. Stellar Lumens moving with XRP correlation. No. Bitcoin's still on sale. If a cryptocurrency isn't at an all-time high, I still think it's a sale. So, yeah, heading to 20K by the end of the year, that could happen within the next few months. Like I said earlier, it could correct right here, down a few $1,000s, and then hit that all-time high, and then potentially keep going up and up. I mean, I've seen some price charts that are telling us about a $200,000 Bitcoin before a correction. I don't know. Like I said, there's so many factors that are happening right now. It's hard to properly gauge it. How long do price corrections historically take? That's a good question. Weeks, months? When you're in the crypto market every day like I am, it's super volatile. So how long do price corrections take? Could take a day, could take an hour, could take a month, could take a year. The same cryptocurrency could take an hour or it could take a month. And then 3 months ago it was in an hour, and then 3 months later it takes a month. So another question I got was about what exchanges to use. People keep asking me what exchanges to use. Coinbase. If you're still asking what exchange you should use, that means you are a super novice. So just like I started when I was a super novice years ago, Coinbase. It's the most easily accessible thing for Americans to use. You can connect it right into your bank account. So, you know, again, Coinbase has problems. They work very closely with the government. But at the end of the day, they have proven that they are the leaders in America as far as exchanges go. Now, there are other good exchanges, Binance, Gemini, you know, there are other exchanges you can use, but Coinbase is just still, in my opinion, the most easily accessible for now. That could change soon. I hope it does. I don't know. If Coinbase doesn't get their act together and make their technology more safe and efficient, then another player will come out. That's the power of the market economy, you know? So, yeah, Coinbase, you know, if you're like, how do I start with cryptocurrency? How do I start with cryptocurrency? It's just like, dude, use Coinbase. Like, just go and do it. It's super easy. And that's it. Like, it's as simple as that. So you go on there, you connect your bank account, then you say, I want to buy this many. And again, I have to say this in literally every single one of my videos, and it's kind of frustrating. The cryptocurrency market is not the stock market. Stop looking at it as you're buying shares in a company. You're buying money, essentially. Like, I view Bitcoin as money. I view a lot of the cryptocurrencies that I'm in as money. Other ones I view as technology, but it's not the same as stock shares. So, you know, somebody asked me today about partial stocks, and it's like, well, do I call a penny a partial dollar? Like, no, it's just a penny. It's a fraction of the dollar, but it's still money in itself. It doesn't diminish the value of it. So you can go buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. You don't have to, let me see that, $11,841. Like, oh yeah, it's gone up like $35 since I started this. Damn, Ethereum at 390. We're gonna hit a $400 Ethereum. I have a price alert right now on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin to hit 12,000 and Ethereum to hit 400. So I'm clearly gonna get those price alerts very soon. So the whole market here on Coinbase, it's we got up 6.1 percent in the last 24 hours. Let's look at the last week and see that 6.15. Oh no, well, you're not even letting me check that. Okay, let's check your tradable assets. Well, it's just the last 24 hours there. So another question that we have is about when a good time is to get in. Again, there's no better time than now. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you when I get in. Am I still buying Bitcoin and Ethereum and other currencies right now? Yes. Why? Because like I said, if we're not at all-time high land, we're still in a flash sale. So use that to your benefit. I just don't understand why you wouldn't. Like, if you're looking at price right now and you're like, okay, Bitcoin's at $11,856. $856. It is pumping right now. Shit. But we can see right here, the all-time high on Coinbase is $20,089 with a volume of $26.1 billion, a circulating supply of 18.4 million Bitcoin. So do you see how this is different from fiat currencies? There's no cap on government centralized fiats. They just print when they need to. With Bitcoin, you have a strict circulating supply. Once all those Bitcoins are taken, there are no more. Everybody has them. So what are you going to do? Are you going to get into it? Are you going to wait until there's no circulating supply and then somebody's going to sell you 0.1 Bitcoin for $50,000 or something like that? Or are you going to be an early adopter and get in right now? Again, not financial advice, but what are you going to do? Anyway, that is my cryptocurrency video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, give me that follow, leave me a comment, let me know what kind of videos you want to see next in the comments section. Let me know the questions you have. I gotta tell y'all, it's really hard when people don't go into the comments section and they DM me. I don't check my DMs as often as I check the comments. It's hard to respond. So leave the questions in the comments section of this video so that I can easily read it for next time and answer the question in detail. So I hope this video gave you value, and I hope that you can make lots and lots of money for the rest of this 2020 year. And going into 2021, we are going to see shifts in our world that we've never seen before. Things that you never expected would have happened. I've been predicting these things for years, but many of you watching are still in shock that all of this is happening. This is the logical conclusion of an empire that was predicated off fake money. So if you want to get into sound money, then investing in dollars just isn't the way to go. That's why I don't do the stock market. And even if you're investing in gold and silver, you know, I just saw a friend that said she's buying gold and silver stocks. And I was like, well, what's the point of gold and silver if you're buying it in a stock? So essentially there's just dollars. Like, you don't have the gold and silver with you. So there's no point in having the asset. Like, the reason that I invest in gold and silver is so I can have it with me. So if shit hits the fan, I have it with me. Because when shit hits the fan, the bank has your money. You're not getting that money. The stock market has your money. You're not getting that money. You need to keep your assets safe as close to you as possible. Because if you don't, look, the shit is hit the fan. The shit is flying everywhere right now. So are you really going to go into the market where the people who control that market, the government, are just printing trillions of dollars right now? Or are you going to take your money and put it into intelligent places, into places that protect you, that make you the master of your own life, not investing and giving your money to somebody else who will then be more of a master to you? You need to be the master of your own life. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon. Peace and love.